Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how to your align the text. Okay, so in here we are going to learn how to align the text. Okay, so whenever you write anything, children, okay, in a cell, sometimes if you are writing a long text inside a MS Excel document, okay, so what happens is it crosses the cell itself. Okay, so that is the time when we need to align the cell. Okay, so that is why cell alignment is very important. Okay, now see here, I am writing over here expense budget over there. Okay, so when I write expense budget, if you can see, it has filled the two cells, almost two cells has been finished. Okay, so see, what I can do is over there is I can now go to that merge and center option. So when I do that, if I do merge and center, so what happened over there is all the cells over there got merged. Okay, understanding? And see, when I click on that other option, the expense budget would come at the center. Okay, understanding, children? Then I could make it bold. Okay, that means I could make it look darker. Okay, then I can use various sizes. Okay, where from there. Okay, then I can do multiple things on this. Okay, children, I can do multiple things on this. Okay, so in this formula bar, if I want to change the text, okay, I can change the text also. Okay, I can make it bold from there itself only. Okay, understanding? So there are so many different ways. Okay, I can increase the size. Okay, I can increase the size by just clicking over there also. Okay, got it, children? So this technique, and I can also change the color of the text which is inside it. Okay, so it depends on me what I want to do with the text. Okay, children, so first of all, what is the basic thing which I have to do is I have to remember that whenever I want to select any text, I can do merging by this thing. Okay, so one of the example which I'm trying to show over here is this thing. Okay, how to create this kind of your cell merging. Okay, so if you can see over here, travel log has been merged in one category. Okay, so now in here what is actually happening is, children, I am teaching you over here, after creating a document, how can you save a document. Okay, got it? So after that, see, if you can see from there, I have bought the file. Okay, so as I have bought the file, okay, I have bought it from there. Okay, and you can save it over there with just your save plus control button over there. Okay, just save and control save I mean control plus S button. If you click it, with the your document usually gets saved. Okay, so this is one of the example over there. Got it? So now see, if you want to open, you can go to the open option. Okay, from where you have saved your data. Okay, got it, children? So see, you can see also where when the time when you have made the thing, and by chance if you have deleted any document, you can restore it also from that option. Okay, the option which was just shown over there. Okay, so multiple things you can do in Excel. Okay, with various options which you get over there. Okay, children, understanding? So that is the thing. Okay, so now see, so info bold option, you can save the document itself. Okay, then see, this is another way of saving. Okay, so Excel 97th 30203 workbook option also is another option in which we can save the work. Okay, and when you will click like this, okay, you can open your MS Excel document in any version of Excel. Okay, it can be 2002, 2003, 4, 5, because when you save your document in 2010, okay, it can be opened when you transfer this document to any other computer. You can open it only when the computer has MS Excel 2010 only. But when you will click on MS Excel 97 2003, then your documents can be opened in all types of your computer which has different versions of the document. Okay, understanding, children? So you can convert it into PDF also. It depends on you. It depends on you whether you want to convert your file into PDF, and you can convert it into your MS Word also. You can take your document to MS Word. You just saw the option, isn't it, children? So this is how we actually can save as well as your you can say align the document. Okay, so this is what we do. Okay children, I hope you have understood. So this is how we end the video. Okay.